Pinterest sends more affiliate traffic per pin than almost any other platform, and most people are doing it completely wrong. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to research, write, and scale a Pinterest affiliate marketing system, from picking a niche to writing pin descriptions that actually rank in Pinterest search. No fluff, no just be consistent advice, just the actual workflow. Quick disclaimer before we start. Pinterest is not Instagram or TikTok. It's a visual search engine. That one distinction changes everything about how you approach it. And it's why ChatGPT is such a good tool here, because most of the work is keyword research and writing, not going viral. Here's what we're covering: why Pinterest plus affiliate marketing works, and the rule that trips people up. Picking a profitable niche using ChatGPT, keyword research with ChatGPT, writing pin titles and descriptions that rank, the landing page workaround. Batch producing content so this scales. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why this works. Pinterest pins have a shelf life of months, sometimes years. Not hours like a tweet or a reel. One good pin can bring in traffic for a year plus. That's why it's so good for affiliate marketing. You're building a compounding asset, not chasing a daily algorithm. But here's the catch most beginners miss. Pinterest restricts direct affiliate links on a lot of accounts now. You can't just slap an Amazon link on a pin and call it a day. You need a landing page in between, usually a blog post or a Shop My Favorites page. And I'll show you how ChatGPT helps you build that fast. Section 2. Picking a niche with ChatGPT. Pinterest users search with intent. They're planning, shopping, or solving a problem. That means your niche needs to be something people are actively looking to buy for. Here's the prompt I use to find niche ideas. Give me 15 Pinterest-friendly niches with strong affiliate programs where users are actively shopping. Include the target audience and 2 to 3 affiliate programs for each. From there, I narrow down using a second prompt. For niche, what are the highest converting sub-niches? And what price range of products tends to perform best on Pinterest? This matters because Pinterest users respond really well to $20, $100 products. Impulse buy range. High-ticket stuff needs a different funnel entirely. Section 3. Keyword research with ChatGPT. This is the part everyone skips, and it's the most important part. Pinterest SEO runs on keywords in your pin title, description, and board names, not hashtags. ChatGPT can't pull live Pinterest search volume, so I always pair it with actual Pinterest search suggestions first. Step 1. Type a broad term into Pinterest's search bar and screenshot the autocomplete suggestions. Step 2. Feed those into ChatGPT with this prompt. Here are Pinterest autocomplete keywords for niche. Paste list. Group these into 5 content themes and suggest 10 additional long-tail keyword variations for each. This gives you a keyword bank you can use across weeks of pins instead of guessing. Section 4. Writing pins that rank. Now the actual writing, Pinterest gives you a title, up to 100 characters, a description, up to 500 characters. Both need your target keyword near the front. Pinterest's algorithm weighs early placement heavily. Here's my go-to prompt template. Write 5 Pinterest pin titles and descriptions for a blog post about topic. Target keyword, keyword. Titles under 100 characters. Descriptions under 500 characters. Natural tone. Include a soft call to action at the end of the description. One tip. Ask ChatGPT for 5 variations, not 1. Pinterest rewards fresh pins linking to the same content, so you can create multiple pins per blog post without extra research work. Section 5. The landing page workaround. Since you usually can't link straight to an affiliate link, you need a landing page. This is where ChatGPT saves the most time. Prompt example. Write a 600-word blog post titled Title that naturally recommends Product 1, Product 2, and Product 3 with a short intro, a comparison of the 3, and a conclusion. Leave placeholders where links should go. Then you drop in your real affiliate links. Add your FTC affiliate disclosure. Publish it. Link your Pinterest pins here. This single blog post can now be the destination for 5-10 different pins over time. Section 6. Batching and scaling. The real unlock is batching. Once a week I do this. Pick 3-5 topics using the niche dark keyword prompts from earlier. Generate 5 pin Title, description variations for each with ChatGPT. Generate the landing page content for each. Design the pin graphics. Canva using ChatGPT written text overlays. Schedule everything with a Pinterest scheduler. That's roughly 15-25 pins a week from about an hour of writing work, because ChatGPT is doing the heavy lifting on copy and content. That's the full system. Niche research, keyword research, pin copy, landing pages, and batching, all built around ChatGPT doing the writing while you focus on strategy and publishing. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, I've got them linked in the description. Drop a comment if you want a follow-up video on designing high-converting pin graphics. That's usually the next question people ask. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.